this R5 to Seaside Heights.
What's up? I hope you guys all come to a show soon because you guys are awesome. Damn. I wish we had the full band set up. Yeah, we were not expecting this, so hey, how's everyone's day? You guys having fun on the beach? It's beautiful.
Yo, how much do I have to pay one of you guys to go jump in the water?
Not much.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. I think one of you guys should.
How's the water? Cold? It's the East Coast. I thought you guys had warm water here. No. She said, no. What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. How you feeling? Come on, Rocky, you turn my guitar on? What movie? What? Remember what this is from? You turn my guitar on?
So we're gonna do a miniature sound check right now, if you're wondering. That's what's happening.
This is my mic check, my mic check.
Rocky.
Check, check.
Standing so I can see you.
Well, I didn't say it.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Yo, the strap is fire.
Gold.
Literally. Strap is fire.
Who needs sunscreen when you got a towel? So, Seaside, this is pretty cool. I've never been here before. Have any of you guys haven't been here either before, right? Hello. Hello, hello. Yeah. Hey, Ethan, can I get my guitar up? Shall we make a little Snapchat story? We're R5 Snaps on Snapchat if you guys want to follow us, but hold on, I didn't type the password in right. Wait, one second. Hold on. What? Who changed the password? Yeah. It's the same thing.
Sorry.
It's just confused. Who said sorry? Who did it? You.
Somebody hacked us.
You hacker.
Isn't the password just like R5 password or something? Wouldn't that be funny?
That's what it is.
That'd be kind of funny right now.
Aha, I got it. All right. What up? Yeah, play some Gucci. Yo, let's speed up a little bit. You all look beautiful. That's awesome. Oh, we can go. Is my guitar coming out through there? No. Do you guys want to like play an actual sound check song? Yeah. No? Alright, cool. I got the no head shake. I got it from Rydell. Let me hear some. Hey. Check 1, 2. Hey. Yeah. Ethan, can I get cajon down just a little bit and a little more of my vocal? Check. It's a beautiful day.
play a Bruce Springsteen song,
good?
guys.
Give him a little Bruce for your sound check.
Give him a little Bruce. Everybody's got a hungry heart. Everybody's a I can't remember the lyrics. Give it to us in your best Bruce impression. Do your Bruce
I would do
impression.
that.
I don't have one. Do it.
I would mess with that.
Do it, Don.
I would
Right,
mess
do you
with
know the chorus to Human Touch?
Yeah, GFC.
Okay.
Check.
A little slower. We changed a little slower. My ears are pretty good, guys. You ready?
You guys
I'm
good?
ready to
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Rock
What are we
and
gonna play
roll.
first?
Are you ready?
All right.
Oh.
Let's do it.